What would the future of design look like if artificial intelligence became so powerful that it could design like a human designer? Philosophers, as far back as the 13th century, first theorized logic machines that could reduce logic systems and reasoning down to symbols and mathematical expressions in order to calculate who might be correct in an argument. But it wasn't until the 1956 Dartmouth Conference that AI would gain its name, its mission, its first success, and its first major players. This conference is widely considered to be the birth of AI, organized by Marvin Minsky, John McCarthy, and two senior scientists, Claude Shannon and Nathan Rochester of IBM. The proposal for the 1956 conference included this assertion: every aspect of learning or any other feature of intelligence can be so precisely described that a machine can be made to simulate it. This would then become the goal of AI, to simulate intelligence and be able to learn over time. Over the next couple of decades, AI research would go through huge ups and downs. Lack of computational power, slow progress, and failure to complete goals resulted in the defunding of several of these research programs. It wasn't until 1993 that AI finally started hitting the goals that had been set decades prior. And in 1997, Deep Blue became the first AI to beat a reigning world chess champion. Currently, AI is used in many fields, but is mainly used to gather, sort, and analyze what is known as big data too vast and complex for humans to analyze and dissect in a timely manner. Through the use of deep learning, neural networks, and the collection of big data, AI is able to create complex models to optimize functions and operations in almost every industry around the world. So where does design fit into all this? How does AI affect designers today, and how will it affect designers in the future? For some years now, AI has been capable of automating and optimizing workflow in the design field, with massive companies pumping huge amounts of money into developing tools to help expand their brands and products. DALL-E 2 recently made a huge splash with technology that can take a written description and output a near limitless set of brand new, unique images in a myriad of different art styles. NVIDIA has a similar technology that can turn simple strokes of a pen into realistic looking images in real time. Nutella and several other companies are also using AI to generate millions of unique packaging designs, saving time and money in the process. These are all technologies that exist today, but what happens when AI is so powerful it can mimic human logic and approaches to complex design problems? Is it even realistic to work as a designer? If an AI can produce millions of times more work, iterations, prototypes, and adjust designs all on its own, designers are often tasked with deciphering a client's true needs without explicitly being told those needs, and this is the area where current AI is lacking the most. However, there are two scenarios that could play out in the future. One where AI continues to have limited agency, and one where AI advances and has unlimited agency. If AI continues to have limited agency, then we will still need designers to direct the AI in order to generate ideas that will suit the true needs of the client, essentially what we have now. However, if we assume that AI's agency will not be limited and instead will be free to design just like a human does, it may result in the following three scenarios. 1. AI produces work that meets the true needs of the client. 2. AI produces work that meets the explicitly stated but not true needs of the client. Or 3. AI produces work that does not meet the explicitly stated or true needs of the client. In two of these three scenarios, the AI with unlimited agency will still need to be monitored to ensure the quality of the work. So whether the AI's agency is limited or not, designers or people who know how to direct this type of AI will still be needed to ensure clients' needs are still being met and to ensure the quality of the work. The full capabilities of AI in the future are still unknown, but we do know that it continues to learn and grow exponentially every year. In design, AI will become a powerful collaborator on par with having hundreds of people working on a single project, and I believe future designers will be able to work at a much faster pace thanks to this new powerful collaborator. Imagine having AI work on projects for you while you take a break, go to lunch, or even while you're sleeping. It is true that AI's capability to gather, dissect, and distill information into new designs will be unrivaled, and for that reason, I think designers should prepare themselves to work with AI, not against it.